In this short video, I will show you my modest experience with email marketing using GetResponse. What's up YouTubers, Ammar here, and for me GetResponse is the best email marketing software because it is so intuitive and easy to use. And before I get into the details, let me kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and or drop a comment below. It will be a very appreciated support. So let me just go ahead and log into my GetResponse account and show you some stats. Yeah, when you are on the dashboard, you will go to reports to see your stats. So I want to show you the subscribers stats. So I click here on subscribers, and then I click here to select all the lists, because you will have to segment your lists if you are doing email list building and email marketing with GetResponse. You will have to create multiple lists. And for all the lists that I selected here, it shows me here that I'm getting an average per day of 12 plus subscribers per day. And here you can see the list growth for the last 30 days, where I got more than 367 email subscribers, and it's an average per day of plus 12 subscribers. Now you can see the green line and the blue line. So the blue line represents the subscribers coming from an API from Warrior Plus, to be specific, and the green line represents the subscribers coming from a form. They filled a form with their email address and name and submitted it to enter my email list and get their freebie. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if I go to this landing page here, I have an email form that subscribers need to fill up, and click on the button to get to their download. And if I look at this one here, there is a button from Warrior Plus for $0, so this is a free download. But using the API, I am connecting my Warrior Plus account to my GetResponse account. So anyone who takes this free offer, it will be entered into an email list at GetResponse. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Inside Warrior Plus, you can see here that these are sales, like sales for $0. Like for example, today 5 sales, yesterday 16 sales, 10 sales, etc. So every day I'm having sales for $0 because I am offering a lead magnet for free. But these numbers here are in the same time added to my autoresponder, to my GetResponse autoresponder, like we just saw before with the blue line. So every time I'm giving away something on this platform, I am registering a new subscriber on my GetResponse account. And sometimes I'm generating some commissions or some sales, like you see here, because sometimes I have a one-time offer behind the free offer, or I am promoting an affiliate offer on the download page. So there is one important thing that we need to consider when building email lists using GetResponse, and that is email automation, or what we call autoresponders. If I go here to the menu and click on this tab here, autoresponders, you will see these series of emails that will it will be like follow-up emails that will be sent out on a schedule to your subscribers to stay in touch with them, provide them with quality content, and recommend good resources to make their life easier and make commissions in the process. So for example, this email here, which is titled Welcome, will go on day 0 just after they subscribe, and then the next day they will receive this one, the third day this one, the second day this one, the fifth day they will receive this email, etc. And all these emails have content on them, and also some recommendations. You can also send the newsletters. If you go here to this menu and click on email marketing, you will be able to send newsletters. So all you have to do is click on this button, create a newsletter, and send it to everyone that is on your list. Now, how am I using GetResponse for list building? In order to build an email list, you have to have something to give away. Like, for example, here there is a series of videos that show people how to add more than 10 subscribers a day using GetResponse and Warrior Plus. And also, for example, here there is 2 ebooks here which shows 9 SEO factors to skyrocket your traffic. So this is like a lead magnet. This is supposed to resolve a problem that your subscribers have, and if they take the free offer, they will be able to download the lead magnet, but they will be also added to your subscribers. Usually I use this method here, the API method with Warrior Plus, when I have an OTO behind this one, when I have a one-time offer that I want to sell behind this landing page. But if I don't, I just use the classic form where people enter their email address and then get access to the lead magnet. And by the way, if you want me to make a video to show you exactly how I make these landing pages and these lead magnets as well, you can drop a question in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to make those videos for you. But the most important thing here is that you need to have access to GetResponse. They are given 30 days free trial. There is a link in the description below if you are interested, and don't hesitate to ask me questions before you go ahead and do it. So as you can see here, it is working, and I'm able to add multiple subscribers every day to my email lists. And this map here shows you all the countries where the subscribers are coming. And yeah, it's very easy to use and intuitive. Everything is shown just right in front of you. If you want to create a new email list, all you have to do is click on this tab here, and then you can create a list. Also, if you click on this button here at the top, you will have all the features and the options that GetResponse allows you to use, and you have also this one here, which is very important for me, integrations and API, because GetResponse is a software that can integrate with multiple softwares like shopping carts and affiliate networks, etc. So for me, this is the best email marketing software out there. The prices are very good, and you can check the list of the prices in the description below. So guys, don't hesitate to ask me questions in the comment section if you want me to show you something or to make a video about those landing pages. So this was my opinion about GetResponse, and I wish you will use it, and I wish you a great day. See you on the next video.